Artwork Fly.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your favorite art teacher, Artwork Fly, and in today's video I will be doing a bit of traveling with some teachers. They're outside and I'm inside, so I'm gonna capture just a few moments, just a few vibes, not too long, probably a short video, short clips of things I'm doing today. So yes guys, I will see you soon. Bye guys. Guys, at this time around I was catching the flu, so even though you see me excited at first, eventually I got worse because the bus had AC.
Oh, trying to make things right between us.
Along the way we did a lot of chit-chatting and laughter, but I was not in the mood to record. Guys, we're here! We're here!
Oh, auntie.
Okay guys, we're here. Not even look on the sign good. As I got me look on the sign good. It's in at the Cove Hotel and Restaurant.
Big touch man go on by himself.
Make sure she take care of stuff. She a go need. I suppose he must have to go turn.
Because Karen said if we not if it's about 1-ish.
Yes.
So the driver will do it.
Okay guys, we are here. We are here, we there. Alright, let's see. Let's see guys. Let's see. Let's see. We're there.
Sorry. Oh no, yes, I'm coming.
Hi.
Unless you try like some small.
Hello people.
Oh, that's the area around there.
Come my picture and this sit up there. Me.
Yo, take the photo. Yeah, vlog miss.
More like the
Nice. Alright. So I did a bit of looking around, and what we were doing now is waiting on the breakfast. Some persons decided to go ahead and pick up some mangoes. Some persons went and asked for a stick to pick mangoes off the tree. So we were there talking, laughing, playing dominoes, taking photos, etc. There was a lot of music playing in the background, so most of the video is going to be a voice over. So here what I was doing is basically looking around, seeing what this hotel has to offer, what they have on display, just getting myself familiar with the place. So I was there looking at the art, the bar area, the nature that they had in the back, the nature scenery that they had in the back, and just try to relax, because you know, as teachers we go through a lot. So this is the time where we get to just sit, relax, do nothing but eat and laugh, enjoy yourself, play games, etc.
Not this one.
Not you remember when I sit down?
We tend to.
Yes, Minister. Yeah, can I remember saying yes, Minister? For me personally, the trip was okay. My main reason for going on the trip was to just visit different places, and I like driving out. That's what Jamaicans call it, love drive out. Yes, that is me. I like to drive out, I like to see nature. That's just me. So for me, the trip was okay. For others, I don't know. They got the chance to go to KFC, Jerk Center, visit Reach Falls, and see different places. But for me, I just needed a bit of drive out. At this point, guys, I was out of it. My flu got worse, and if you listen closely, I'm sniffing and coughing here.
Okay, not the sea.
They never have nothing at all. I'm not getting it. Okay guys, hope you like this short vlog. I will see you in the next one. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.